Welcome back, viewers. Our focus remains on tracking the top developments in this edition, wherein the latest Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva and BJP leader, National General Secretary Tarun Chugh have reached the Ramleela ground, where the mega swearing-in ceremony of Delhi's new Chief Minister is going to be taking place. It has been scheduled for 28th of the February at 4:30 p.m., where the two leaders have reached at the site of the Ramleela Maidan to inspect the arrangements, as in fact security arrangements have already been made in extensive manner, with also proper in fact security difference for the VIPs also structures being made. Virendra Sachdeva has also spoken out on this. Let's now listen in.
नीचे हो तो इससे जगह भी तो होनी चाहिए।
दिल्ली की महान जनता ने आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को भरपूर आशीर्वाद दिया है। बुला भाई, भरपूर आशीर्वाद दिया है और जनता का आशीर्वाद जो जनादेश में बदला है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को ऐतिहासिक विजय दिल्ली में मिली। इसलिए ऐतिहासिक कार्यक्रम श्री रामलीला मैदान में 20 तारीख को होगा। उसकी तैयारियां युद्ध स्तर पर लगी हैं। दिल्ली का हर व्यक्ति, हर एसोसिएशन, समाज का हर वर्ग उत्साहित है, पार्टी को संपर्क कर रहा है। हम आना चाहते हैं और इस ऐतिहासिक कार्यक्रम का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी दिल्ली के उन सब लोगों की इच्छा को पूर्ण करने के लिए युद्ध स्तर पर काम में लगी।
My colleague Mehndi Garg is joining me live on the broadcast for more. Mehndi, as we've just heard Tarun Chugh giving out details about how grand the swearing-in ceremony is going to be, as security arrangements are already being inspected, with in fact more preparations underway to be supervised, as there are several dignitaries apart from the political high profile people to be joining the swearing in ceremony of the new Chief Minister of the national capital.
Well, indeed, Simran, today at 11 a.m., Virendra Sachdeva, Tarun Chugh and Vinod Tave reached the Ramleela Maidan, where the swearing-in ceremony will take place to, look out the preparations as well, and to inspect that everything is going according to the plan, because BJP plans to, have a very huge or grand, we can say, celebration at the Ramleela ground on 20th February as the swearing-in ceremony, and all the VVIP guests will also be present in this particular oath ceremony. And today, Virendra Sachdeva, Tarun Chugh has also, came to inspect the preparations as well, and they also hold a meeting with the SPG and with also the Delhi police to, manage the safety of the delights and the VVIP guests at the Ramleela ground as well. That is to be taken care of on 20th February. And not only this, Simran, also a meeting will be organized at State Office at around 1:30 p.m. to discuss more on the preparations of the oath-taking ceremony, because yes, it was a historic win by the BJP after 27 years in the national capital. And we heard Tarun Chugh as well, as he mentioned that how the leaders, not only the political leaders, but also the people, the stars from different segments of the society will also be coming to this particular oath ceremony to witness the BJP's big win in the national capital. So yes, the preparations are underway right now, and all the senior leaders are coming to Ramleela Maidan to inspect and also to micromanage, we can say, each and every preparation that is going to happen at the place. Yes, Simran.
All right, Mehndi, thank you very much for sharing these details and giving us more information. Now, viewers, in the latest Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister